guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fumibi here again with another video. This time it's not a hairstyling video. I know you guys, don't worry, I have my hairstyling videos coming for you guys really soon, but in today's video I'm going to be talking all about your natural hair. Okay, how I grew my natural hair in the year 2020. In this year 2020, like I've been saying, you can't talk to me anyhow. Okay, when it comes to my hair is popping. My hair is popping, and I put in a lot of work. Let me talk like all those people. I put in the work. I paid my dues. Okay, when it comes to my hair, I paid my dues this year, and I got my return on my investment in my hair. Okay. But yeah, really, like, you know, on a more serious note, my hair has transformed tremendously in this year, and I don't want to keep all the secrets to myself. Okay, it's very annoying when somebody is telling you that, oh, something is working for them, and they are not sharing their secrets with you. They're just keeping it to themselves. I'm not that person. I'm a cheerful giver. I will share my information with you, and I'll not leave it to you. It's left to you to decide whether or not you want to put in the work so that you will get your own returns on your investment. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing every single thing I did to grow my hair in this year. So if you've been interested in knowing everything your girl did, okay, if you want to know everything, you have to keep watching. Alright guys, welcome back. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi there, my name is Fumibi. I make videos about natural hair care, natural hair styling, natural everything, natural hair, everything. You find it on this channel. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, okay, hit the subscribe button down below. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year, and I need you. I need your help. Okay, forget all this one that I'm talking. I need your help. Okay, so please hit the subscribe button down below. Also tap the bell notification right beside the subscribe button. That bell is supposed to help you know every single time I drop a new video. I drop videos at least twice a week, but in December I promised you guys that I'm going to be coming at you back to back. Okay, so I plan on making more videos than my regular 2 videos a week. Okay, so hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of those videos. Okay, so now that that is out of the way, let's get into the reason why you're watching this video. So let me first of all start with, at the beginning of the year, growing my hair was not even a goal. Like, I didn't have it in my plans, right? I was just like, okay, I'll do my normal thing, take care of my hair and all that stuff. But then trouble struck when I did one braids like that. I think for those that have been frequent on my channel, I already showed you guys that braid, but I'll see if I can still find a picture of that braids. I'm going to link it somewhere on this screen so you guys can see the braids. You see that the hair is very fine, right? It was a very beautiful braid, but the issue with it was I carried it for about 6 weeks, and I think maybe because of how long I carried it for, that's part of the reasons why I got the kind of reaction I got after taking out that braids. It went with most of my edges. I'm going to link a picture of what my edges and my hair in general looks like at the beginning of the year. This was in January, so around February-ish, that was when I took down the braids. And yeah, I'm going to link a picture of all those things here on this screen so you can take a look at it as well. And yeah, that was when I knew that we have to fix this issue. We have to fix it. And I started watching a lot of YouTube videos. This was even before I started my channel, right? I started watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I discovered this our sister here, this our sister aloe vera. If you watch a lot of my videos, you know that I'm like, you can't tell me nothing. I love aloe vera, period. I discovered aloe vera, and I started, you know, doing my own research, finding out every single thing about aloe vera, and I discovered that, oh my god, this can actually be the solution to my challenge, right? So I started using aloe vera a lot, and I must tell you that this is not the only thing that grew my hair, right? I can't tell you that, oh, it's just aloe vera that grew my hair, but it played a very major role in growing my hair. And I'm going to share everything. This video, make sure you watch it to the end. Don't tap out of this video, because I'm going to be dropping gems for you, okay, in this video. So make sure you don't tap out of this video. But yeah, aloe vera really helped with that issue, right? And I discovered aloe vera from one of my favorite YouTubers on here on YouTube. She was the one that just, you know, gave all the tea on aloe vera, and I'm like, okay, let me try it out, right, and see how it goes. I did it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and then my edges started to tabiobio, like it started growing small. I'm like, wait till I might shall not keep doing this thing. And then I kept at it, and this is December, and it makes a total of 11 months that I've been using aloe vera on my hair. And guys, I'm going to link a picture of what my edges and my hair in general looks like right now. Aloe vera is the bomb, okay? Is the bomb. My previous video, I shared everything you need to know about the pros and cons of using aloe vera on your hair, so make sure you go ahead to check out that video, just in case you don't use aloe vera on your hair and you just want to know what to expect when you use it on your hair and how to use it on your hair and all that good stuff. I'm going to link it somewhere on this screen so you can go ahead to go check it out. But yeah, I started using aloe vera on my hair and I was very dedicated with it, and this is where my hair is at the moment. I'm going to link it also on this screen so you can, you know, get a look at what my hair looks like right now. And yeah, enough of the backstory. I just wanted to give you guys a preamble. By now you guys know that I like to give backstory to every single thing I'm telling you. So that was the backstory to how I decided to start growing my hair in this year. And then quarantine came. I'm like, I don't go have another work. Let me just be devoted to this thing. And I started doing everything. And it's paid off at the end of the day. So yeah, the first thing I started doing to my hair when I wanted to start, you know, taking more care and growing my edges and my hair in general back was I gave myself a serious talk. Like, I spoke to myself about the reasons why I really need to achieve this goal with my hair. I know some people don't care about their hair, right? And that's fine, right? The fact that everybody cares about their hair doesn't mean you have to care about your hair. If your hair is not a priority, that's absolutely fine. But for me personally, I love hair. I love hair in general, natural hair, not just waves, right? I love natural hair in general, and I just knew that I couldn't live with having really bad hair. So I had to, you know, speak to myself. That was part of the things that motivated me to start watching a lot of YouTube videos that talk about how to grow your hair and all that stuff. So also another thing I did, I made myself understand that it won't happen overnight. So if you're trying to grow your hair in the new year, as we are drawing into 2021 gradually, it's not going to happen in 2 months. It's not going to happen in 3 months, depending on maybe if you have, you know, superpowers and you have the power to grow your hair really fast. Except that, but it doesn't happen overnight, right? It takes time. And don't, you know, take the necessary steps for 1 month or 2 months and then give up and say, oh, my hair is not growing, it's not working. Dedicate a whole year or 6 months. Even if you can't dedicate a whole year, dedicate 6 months to taking good care of your hair and see if there's nothing, like if you cannot even show anything for those 6 months of dedicated time to growing your hair, then you can say, okay, everything sucks and you're not doing anymore. I have a lot of wig tutorials on here on my channel. Wearing wigs is my own favorite type of protective styling. I have my hair in cornrows or twist or African threading underneath my wig, and I wear my wigs, and yeah, I'm good to go. So if you also want to, you know, take this journey just like I did this year, I have a whole playlist with my wig tutorials, wigs that you can rock on your natural hair to just protect your hair while you grow your hair. So yeah, protective styling was one thing that I really took my time to do in this year. I only made my hair in the salon. That braids that I did, that I showed you guys earlier, that was the only hair I made in the salon this year. I was the one managing my hair all through. And I feel like, especially here in Nigeria, I feel like it's only God that can help someone find a good hairstylist in this country, because the damage that our hairstylists here in this country, the damage they do to your hair is even more than the problem with the hair safe, because they always make mistakes. Even with relaxed hair, if they're relaxing your hair, they don't relax it the right way, and they just help you damage your hair really. But I shouldn't generalize it. There are some really good salons on here. So even if you're the kind of person that can't be bothered to take your time to do your hair by yourself, make sure that right before you start this journey, before you start this project, find a really good hairstylist that understands you and listens, because some hairstylists know their work, but they don't listen. You tell them, oh, do it this way, and they will be doing the one that is in their mind. Make sure that you find someone that understands your hair and listens to you when you tell them how you want your hair to be managed. So yeah, protective styling and finding a good stylist if you're the kind of person that can't be bothered to make your hair by yourself. Those are things that will really help you. It helped me, and I'm sure it will help you as well. Another thing that I did in this year was pre-pooing, guys. Pre-pooing. Like, I can't say pre-pooing enough. I think in this year 2020 on my channel, I've said pre-poo at least 100 times. Pre-poo your hair, guys. Pre-poo your hair. And if you don't know what pre-pooing is, if you're new on here, pre-pooing is just pre-shampooing, the treatments that you give your hair before you shampoo your hair, before you wash your hair on your wash day. So pre-poo treatments. And my favorite item for my pre-poo day is this, our auntie here. This is my aloe vera. I love aloe vera as a part of my pre-poo treatment. It's one of my favorite items in my pre-poo treatment. And just in case you're wondering how I normally use my aloe vera in my pre-poo treatment, I'm going to link a video on here so you can go ahead to check out that video. I shared how I make my aloe vera pre-poo treatment and everything I do on my pre-poo day, with my oils and everything that I use. Everything is in that video. So go ahead to go check that out after you finish watching this video. So yeah, pre-poo treatments is one thing that really helps to grow my hair in this year. Another thing that I did to grow my hair in this year was I reduced braiding by 99%. Let me put it that way. I reduced braiding tremendously. I know, and there's this new type of braid that has been going around now, knotless braids. Every single time I see that braid, I have to tell myself that for me, no, don't do it, don't do it. I know a lot of people say, oh, it doesn't cut your hair. I'm paranoid, guys, because what braid showed me in this year 2020, I don't know when next I'm going to braid my hair, guys. I really smelled me with braids this year, right? So I reduced braiding basically. If you are the kind of person that has really strong hair and braiding doesn't break your hair, that's fine. But for me, I found that my hair isn't that strong. My hair cannot withstand that type of tension on my strands. So I reduced braiding tremendously. And yeah, here we are with our long hair. Another thing I did this year to grow my hair was I started being extremely gentle with my strands. When I tell you that I treat my strands like egg, I'm not kidding, guys. I'm always very gentle with my moisturization routine, my pre-poo, how I detangle my hair. I detangle with care, handle with care. It's a fragile package right there. So take your time, don't do and then just put this kind of thing and put in your hair and be, you know, being very forceful with your hair. It's going to damage your hair, it's going to cut your hair. When, you know, detangling your hair, I always advise you guys, I'm going to link the wrong and the right type of comb to use to detangle your hair. This is the type of comb you should be using to detangle your hair. This is the type of comb you shouldn't put in your hair when detangling your hair. Detangle your hair with a wide tooth comb and take your time, section by section, and detangle your hair, and you're going to see really great improvement with your hair. Another thing I did for my hair in this year that really helped to grow my hair, that I can attribute to the reasons why my hair is the way it is right now, is zero heat. No heat at all. No heat. Even if I'm using blow dryer on my hair, I put it on the lowest level, like the bare minimum. I don't even take your time. Even if it takes me 1 year to dry my hair, I put my blow dryer on the lowest, and that's what I use to dry my hair. Most times I prefer to air dry, but on days when I'm in a hurry and I need my hair to be dry, I use my blow dryer on the lowest level to dry my hair. Zero heat, no straighteners, nothing like that. I've never actually, in my entire life, I've never gotten a silk press. I don't know, sometime along the line I might decide to get a silk press, but it's not something I'll be doing regularly, right? Zero heat, zero to no heat, right? Zero heat, or even if you're putting heat, not frequently. Maybe in a year, do it once or do it twice. Don't put heat in your hair. Heat damage is real and it's not going to help your hair grow the way you would like it to grow. Another thing that helped my hair grow in this year is consistent deep conditioning. Every single time I wash my hair, I deep condition. I know some people are like, oh, it's too much. Oh, you shouldn't deep condition your hair that often. But for me personally, deep conditioning, every single time, every wash day, I deep condition my hair with my favorite items. I use my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil deep conditioner. That's one of my favorites. Another one I just discovered that I started using now is my Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil deep conditioner. That deep conditioner, I started using it earlier in the month, last month in November, and guys, when I tell you that my hair loves it, like it provides such a fantastic sleep and it just moisturizes my hair. I know I can't generalize, right? But personally, it was so great on my hair, and that's a fantastic substitute for my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So yeah, you also, like I said, when you start to take your time with your hair, you understand your hair, know what products your hair likes, and use it on your hair. Those are the products that work really well on my hair. Do your own research as well, or try any of those products I mentioned and see how it does on your hair, and then you now determine whether or not you want to start using it on my hair. So yeah, I started deep conditioning my hair really frequently. Every single time I wash my hair, right? When I say frequently, every time I'm washing my hair, every wash day, I deep condition devotedly, right? And yeah, it really helps to grow my hair. Another thing I started doing to my hair that helps grow my hair is I started oiling my hair really often. Every time I pre-poo my hair, I oil my hair. Even in my deep conditioner, I mix my favorite oils in there. Oiling really helps my hair. And if you know me very well, my favorite oil is my Jamaican Black Castor Oil. That oil right there, oh my goodness. I'm going to share another video where I share everything I did to grow my edges back, because that thing, when I tell you that it showed me pepper this year, it really did. And I'm going to share everything I used to grow my hair. And my Jamaican Black Castor Oil really was a superstar in growing my hair and growing my edges. So yeah, I started applying a lot of oils in my hair, and that really helped to transform my hair. So yeah, I started oiling my hair devotedly. The last thing that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video on everything I did to grow my hair is, and this right here is the superstar, right? It's the superstar of this whole process. My aloe vera. This right here, my darling, my love. I love it so much. My hair loves it so much, and it really helped my hair grow. And yeah, I can't be more thankful to aloe vera for my inches. Okay, we didn't attain, yeah guys, we didn't attain the butt length, but our hair is doing well. We are on a move, we are moving forward. Okay. The train is moving, and I have aloe vera to really thank for that whole process. It's been a fantastic part of my hair care routine. And yeah, that's it for this video. That's everything I did to grow my hair. If you have any other questions about anything I mentioned in this particular video, please make sure to leave your questions down in the comment section. Also, if you enjoyed watching, if you found something I said useful, or anything, or any of the tips I shared in this video useful, please do well to give me a big fat thumbs up. That thumbs up helps other people find my videos. You don't want to hoard knowledge, right? You want other people to find this video and also learn from it. So make sure you give me that big fat thumbs up so other people will find my video, and it also motivates me, right? It helps me know that you guys are getting value from my channel, and it motivates me to bring even more awesome content to you guys. All right then, if you're still watching me, right, in conclusion, if you're still watching me and you're here to subscribe to my channel, please help me in achieving my goal, 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. I know it sounds like a lot. It sounds like, oh my God, how does she want to do it? But I know I can do all things, right, through my God that strengthens me. So yeah, I know it's possible, and I need your help, right? I need your help to attain that goal. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Also tap the bell notification right beside the subscribe button. It will help you be the first to know every single time I drop a new video. Like I said earlier in one of my videos, just in case you've not seen that video, I told you guys I'm going to be doing a lot of videos in this season, this festive season. So yeah, you don't want to miss any of those educative and just awesome content that I have in store for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Before you go, make sure you watch something else. I'm going to have a video or two linked on here, a playlist and another video up here. Go ahead to click any of those videos, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another one. Love you guys so much. Bye.